Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel everyone. Hitchhiking Yeti here, and at the moment I'm here in downtown New Bern. We're going to make our way over to the old drugstore where the birthplace of Pepsi-Cola happened. But I wanted to give you a little insight on this town that I think is pretty neat. Little factoids that I like to put in every now and then in my videos. So I just wanted to let you know that New Bern is the second oldest settled colonial town here in North Carolina, only second to Bath, North Carolina. I thought that was pretty cool. And then right here in our good state we have the capital is Raleigh, North Carolina. But back in 1770 to 1792, little did I know, New Bern was actually the capital of North Carolina. So if you didn't know, now you know. Check this out, this little piece of art right here. This is called Future Bear. I have never seen anything quite like this before. How cute is that, oh? It's another bear. There are bears everywhere. So Caleb Bradham actually invented Pepsi, or Brad's drink, to relieve indigestion. And I guess like kind of the medical term of indigestion was called dyspepsia. So they just took the P-E-P-S-I out of dyspepsia, and that's where the name Pepsi come from. So if you didn't know, now you know. So right there in front of us on that corner store with that blue overhang is actually the old drugstore spot. It's not the original building, because the original building actually burned down in 1931 and then Pepsi rebuilt it in the 1940s. And here we are. It says, "Welcome Bradham's Pharmacy, the birthplace of Pepsi-Cola." And it also says it up here on the overhang also. Bradham's Pharmacy. They're going to have all kinds of old stuff in here, I bet. And I know I got to buy me a shirt. Friends don't let friends drink Coke. Right here is the corner of the street. They have another placard right here. It says "Birthplace of Pepsi-Cola." This building marks the site of Bradham's Pharmacy, where Caleb Bradham created Pepsi-Cola in 1898. Here's your shirt, Brad's drink.
If I can help you find anything, let me know. Okay, thank you. I was looking for my husband a shirt. He is obsessed with
Drink Yahoo! Mountain Dew. It will tickle your innards. Got all these shirts they have up here. Right here we have Pepsi and Pete. I make sure you get a big bottle, 12 full ounces. 5 cents for a 12-ounce bottle. Boy, talk about inflation. And here we have some old school stuff. All kind of relics in there. Right here's an old Jeff Gordon die-cast car back when he drove Pepsi. Got some pins. And here they got a display for Nitro Pepsi. Then we got some Mountain Dew stuff.
It doesn't have to be a meter. It needs to be in a non-2-hour parking spot. You don't get a ticket if you're there for a long time. I don't know if they even are.
And that is definitely a party hat if I ever seen one.
Down at the beginning, right in front of
There's a Dale Earnhardt Jr. die-cast car back there.
So do move it. I don't know when he marked your car, but you know, look down there and those.
There's some Mountain Dew toothpick holders.
But
hello.
every 2 hours you need to move it. What time is it? And I'm thinking you can move it into another store.
Here's some Pepsi and Mountain Dew bottles from around the world. You have China mainland.
Original estates of Pepsi memorabilia. It's going to be awesome.
And here is Afghanistan Mountain Dew.
This is where Pepsi was born.
Usually
USSR, we got one from Russia,
so if you know
Turkey,
what days you can't,
Japan, Korea, Iraq, Oman of Jordan.
so you can always just add your name over here. And if there's
They have all kinds of stuff here I've never seen before. This is so awesome. Look at this. This is Woodstock 94.
That's okay. That's okay. I'll transfer.
Check
it
that
over
out.
in September, you know.
That is just too cool. And here is United Arab from Dubai. Look at that can. Much smaller than the US version. And there's Thailand.
Want to try your lip gloss on?
It's pretty cool. I love old stuff like this. Too bad I'm not a collector, because I would love to have things like this, but I'm not very good at collecting things. Alright friends, real quick, just between you and I, are you team Mountain Dew? Or are you team Pepsi? Put in the comments down below which one is your favorite drink. And if it's not, that's okay. Either one. And here is the original Pepsi-Cola formula right here. Check this out. That is pretty cool. They got little tables in here. Sit back and drink you a cold Pepsi. Coffee mugs. And some more glasses like they have in the main store, which is right down through there. And you know we can't leave here without getting a Pepsi.
Did you get the other one? We are going to try out.
There you go. So we popped the top of our Pepsi Colas, and baby, these things are cold. And they're made from real sugar. So here we go. Little toast. Boom. Good to go. And that's how you have a very happy Pepsi kind of day.
Yeah.
All right, friends, I made it to the Cedar Grove Cemetery, and this is the final resting place for Caleb Bradham. And this is the way I want to end my video today. So here's his gravesite. And right here is the inventor of Pepsi-Cola, Caleb Bradham. There's actually some old Pepsi bottles up here at his grave. And Mr. Bradham was born May 27th, 1867, and died February 19th, 1934, at the age of 66 years old, right here in Craven County in New Bern. So as always in my videos, when I cover something like this, whether it's Krispy Kreme or it's the great refreshing taste of Pepsi Cola product, we want to come to where the creator lies and give him a toast and say thank you for making a great, wonderful drink for all of us to enjoy for years and years to come. And that, my friends, will complete our video today. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you enjoyed the content today, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, that's all I got to say today. So until next time, I'm the Hitchhiking Yeti, and I will see you, friends, in the next video. Y'all stay safe and have a Pepsi kind of a day.